Hello guys, my name is Rishabh Sahcdeva. My CA final results of November 22 attempt just came a few while ago, and I was able to clear my exams of CA final in this attempt. Thank you very much, Himakant sir, for your guidance. The problem which I faced earlier was I was not able to memorize and retain the concepts, especially in the theoretical subjects like auditing and the mentorship of the Super 36 program helped me to overcome that problem because I was not able to retain that much and my memory was not that sharp. And due to the programs such as day end revision and weekly tests were being conducted on every Sunday, and so can we can also track our progress that where we are going wrong by filling the exam mistake tracker. And thankfully it was a plus point that I was able to recognize the mistakes which I was going to commit in before my exams could really occur. So I was also aware that yeah, this problem, if that this kind of problem comes, I will not repeat that mistake same again. And this mentorship has been very fruitful for me. At first I was also quite skeptical that would it work or not, but when I got into the process, in the first stance it appeared like it is going to be really difficult and I won't be able to do it, will it work or not, whatever. But after some time when I got into the process, I was also able to see some gradual improvements in my performance, which was lacking in my previous attempts performance. And I was able to correlate that yeah, this was the reason why I was going wrong in that direction. So the mentorship of the Himakant sir really helped me a lot and helped me clear my CA final exams in this November 22 attempt. I can't thank Himakant sir enough. So thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much.